All right. So welcome to probably my first very much non-stock video. All right. I'm going to tell you just a little bit of what I've been doing the last few days, and more than anything, I actually genuinely hope that this kind of inspires you to do something, all right? Because I swear what I'm about to tell you I've never done before, my wife has never done before. Like, this was very much a new thing and a crazy experience over the last few days, all right? So we actually very legitimately looked into opening a business. The business would have basically required about 400 to 500,000 dollars. I almost said million. That's obviously stupid. 400 to 500,000 dollars of capital just to open the doors well, you know. And look, that's a big number to me. All right, I know there are some people that like to put screenshots that they've got like X number of millions just in their trading accounts and stuff like that. Like, I'm not here to like money shame in any way, shape, or form. Like, that's just silly. But for real, $500,000, like it was crazy, right? And man, your brain, when you start thinking about things, and I'm telling you, like I said, 2 weeks ago, I'd never even thought about what would it be like to actually have to raise that kind of money. What would the like liability on my life and what we've started and what we've built and what we own and all that sort of stuff would have like those kind of questions weren't happening, 7 days ago, right? So it was really a cool and crazy process. Like, I called people and seriously told them, hey, do you got 100 grand and are you down to like hear me out? And I was actually surprised how many people said yes and like all that sort of stuff, right? So in so many ways, I legit want you to do this if you've never done it before. And one more time, I swear on my mom, I do not have 400 or 500K in the bank. You know what I mean? Like, it really would have taken some crazy ass debt. It was cool talking to the bank and like hearing what the rates would have looked like and like hearing what it would have looked like if I needed to escape. And like, dude, my wife and I think if we would have kept going closer, we were ready to talk to a bankruptcy lawyer to see what would have happened if we like defaulted on the, and like, you know what I mean? Like, dude, there was so many like crazy good and crazy bad things in in my head and like her head. And end of the day, it's almost related to like buying a stock, right? It's this like risk reward that we do every day when we click buy or sell, right? So yeah, that's just, kind of what's been going on the last like week. Yesterday, when I made no videos, was when we just kind of decided no. And man, it felt good to like let that like stress and pressure kind of go away. But the exercise was so cool and we're not done trying. You know what I mean? I think we'll scale it down a little bit, but yeah, crazy shit. So more than anything, hey, I wish you all the best stock wise and for real, like life wise, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope this is a cool video. I'll add more info if there's actually any interest, but other than that, like, more than anything, yeah, I hope you use this to like fuel you a little bit, right? I think it's cool hearing it from someone else. Shit, we didn't have someone else. Well, we talked to a couple people. I'm not going to pretend that we didn't have someone else, but like, yeah, it's always good to hear it from someone. You know what I mean? So hey, I appreciate you so much.